Paycom tutorial, how to log in employee account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into Paycom Employee Account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.paycom.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Paycom. Here on the top right, you will see the login option. Tap on that. You will get three options here, that is client, employee, and accountant. Since we want to log into employee account, tap on the employee option. You will now be led to the employee self-service login portal. Go ahead and enter your username and password in the respective text boxes. Also, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or the PIN. Once done, tap on the login button and with this you will be logged into Paycom Employee Account. Just in case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can tap on the Forgot Username or Password option and recover your login details. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.